A very good morning from Quantum Global and welcome to today's audio podcast dated 16th of May 2019. Before we start, first things first, let's focus on stocks which are commanding headlines. First, Lupin Q4 reported net profit of rupees 289 crore. The results missed streets estimates. Technically, downside risk remains at rupees 720. Second, Karur Vyas Bank Q4 profit up 19% at rupees 60 crore. The stock likely to trade range bound. In private banking space, we like RBL Bank, Kotak Bank and DCB Bank. Third, commanding attention would be Tata Chemicals, which transfers consumer business to Tata Global Beverages. The transaction is expected to be completed by the end of this fiscal. The technical landscape is weak for Tata Chemicals and the immediate support for Tata Global is at 191, buying advised only on any strength. Meanwhile, Q4 earnings to trickle in today, Thursday. Bank of India, Jubilant Industries, Bajaj Finserv, Hindalco, Vindhya Telelinks, Bajaj Finance and JSW Energy. Now to the theme of the day. Judging by yesterday's trading action this morning, indications from SGX Nifty, it is quite apparent that the Lal Street is still stuck in the mud. The big question, can the benchmark Nifty pull out itself from pessimism? To put it straight, if Nifty holds above the psychological 11,000 mark, there's still hope that equities can gravitate back to the top of their trading range. Digging deeper, we are not out of the mud yet, and we suspect the exit poll outcome could forecast more storm clouds ahead, where sharp bulls will be bending and praying with both their hands in favor of outcome on the 23rd of May that could force permabulls to end all the pessimism surrounding the Lal Street. Also, hope meantime that the US-China call for truce and bring wheels of the worldwide economic growth engine to prosperity from the muck. Long story short, expect stormy clouds until there is clarity on the outcome of the general elections and resolution in the Trump Z trade battle. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty is likely to remain volatile, moving up or down sharply with back and forth movements, red switching to green, green switching to red. Also keeping investors on the edge are catalysts like first, selling intensifying from the FII's camp. The foreign institutional investors have sold shares worth rupees 1,142 crore in the Indian equity markets in Wednesday's trade. In the month of May, as of now, the FIIs have pulled out rupees 7,427 crore. Second, oil prices have spiked after the Saudi Arabia reported an attack on two of its tankers. Third, SkyMet, a private weather forecast, has said that monsoon to arrive late will arrive on its southern coast on June 4th and deliver less rain than average this year. Fourth, uninspiring March quarter earnings. And fifth, export growth slides to 4-month low in April. Trade deficit at 5-month high. Also sluggish macro data like India posted the worst car sales data in 8 years. That's all we have in our today's podcast. For your queries, comments, suggestions, please do leave them by logging into our website www.quantumglobal.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Signing off, Quantum Global.